hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmarks, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. If we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen, prior to taking photo ID at check-in, the hotel itself measures credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various gift and sign payment policies. You are planning to book in with the use of the hotel provided in the description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again